Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow others to share your reels to their stories on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below in the right side corner, then tap on Settings at the top of the screen. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility and click on the Reels button. Here you can allow others to share your reels to their stories. So if you create a public reel, anyone on Facebook can share it to their story if you tap on this Yes button down below. If you tag someone in any reel, they can share it to their story. It will include your full name, a link to see your reel, and will be visible for 24 hours. If you would like to disable it, just click in the No button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.